So here we are in Cheoc. This is kind of a nice little beach. We're gonna just walk down there. It's March, so we can also just kind of see. Actually, I just noticed there's nobody wearing masks anymore. That's good. They just got rid of the mandate, and I was gonna do a video about mask wearing, and I don't see him at all here. But this is Cheoc. That's a little posada up there. That's some mountains of Coloane. So it's all kind of greenery up in this part of Macau, southern part. And you can see these hotels up there, and there's actually a swimming pool as well. And we are going to walk down that way, kind of show you what it all looks like. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so it's 2 p.m. and we're in Cheoc. So we can definitely go different directions. We can walk all the way down that way. We can also go up in those little trails up that way as well. I think what we're gonna do is just walk right into the sand and just kind of see. I think it's probably the best way. And then we're gonna walk towards, today it's like March, so right now it's the month of March. And over to the left is a yacht, so that's a giant, that little structure, it's like some kind of yacht, and there's like a bunch of private boats over there too. And I think I saw somebody that has like a kayak, and they'll do kayaking and they'll store it in that area right over there. So it's like Centro Nautica de Cheoc, so something with the boats, I guess. But yeah, that would be kind of interesting spot. Let's just see. And that's the coastline of Cheoc. Then you got some apartments. Those are housing up there as well. There's actually a trail. There's like a little trail right where that little immigration point is at. You can also go down that way. So let's get a little viewpoint. I don't know what that is. There's a building way up there too. Okay. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk back up to that spot, and then we might walk down a little ways as well, just kind of give you some context of everything. So yeah, this is it's kind of a nice day today, March 2nd, but we're going to just kind of see, I think give you a little taste of it anyways. Then those are those posadas, so you can actually stay the night there and have those balconies as views as well. All these trees kind of give really nice shading as well. We're gonna walk in a little bit. Of course, you can walk that way. So there's barbecue for Cheoc and Cheoc Road. I think the barbecue is up that way, I guess. I think that might be Cheoc Road. Oh no, Cheoc Road might be the top one up there. There's a street name right there. Huh, you could walk up in that way. So there are people walking up. I think they go up to the bus stop if they go up this trail right here. So I see some people walking now. Okay. That's really nice. Beautiful trees as well, really nice trees. And then they have this kind of cool entrance right there. So these two are the entrances into the beach. Yeah, that tree is amazing right there. That tree has a QR code. We can see exactly what it is. We actually, let me see. If some of these will have the QR code like that, then we can actually view. I got a nice, beautiful lantern as well. You just kind of see. Okay, so it looks kind of cool. Yeah, actually these give nice shade, so you can actually sit in this area. So some people do. They got some, you can sit like in here. And somebody brought a chair as well. So we're gonna keep on walking down that way. But yeah, it's a nice day today. Cheoc. Actually, I thought there'd be more people. The weather is so nice today, so I just assumed it was going to be Hello. Okay. We also have these yellow, kind of a yellow building here to the side, which I believe is called the let me see, some kind of services, some kind of government services thing. Something about maritime with water. You can sit out here. There's a little convenience store in there, then the public bathrooms. And these are really nice right here, this view. That's where the lifeguard is usually at. That's the main beach. And then this one, I don't know the history of this one, but it's a private residence. And then down at the end there's a public swimming pool as well. And we'll just walk towards that swimming pool and see if it's even open today. And then you can also go into these rocks a little bit dangerous, but very dangerous. But I have done it, gone into those rocks a little bit. Yeah, and actually it's kind of interesting, this one, because these are like private. So like somebody has this massive place, right? Amazing when you have money, right? And you can buy like something like that. I have like beachfront property on one of the only 2 beaches in Macau. Amazing. And then this one is kind of ramshackle. So this one, whoever owns this one, you know, they don't have much money, I guess, for the houses, right? So it's like kind of ramshackle, but they got these amazing views in their own space too, right? Find it so amazing. Okay. And then right here we got a little stretch of like beautiful trees, and a lot of times people will sunbathe in this whole area right there. And yeah, you can see how beautiful that is right there. Yeah, that looks amazing. So yeah, and actually this is a really popular place to hang out at any time because you kind of have some nice shade right in here. Okay, then up here a bunch of people will hang out in this spot and have lunch and dinner. Oh, I see a lot of Portuguese community, Chinese community as well, foreign community. It's the Italian restaurant. So it's right here on the beach. And they got a swimming pool right here. Looks like it's not quite set up yet. So later this would be pretty busy in the summertime. You have to buy the tickets online even. Okay. So that's let me just kind of see what that says. So this right here says the stairs of the Cheoc Beach. So these stairs right here, they'll follow it. I think they go all the way behind, so you can actually walk. Looks like they're doing it all under construction right now. But those are the Haksha Beach stairs. And then later you can also come into here, into the swimming pool. So obviously the swimming pool is closed for the winter months because it's still March. But later this will be very, very busy with a lot of tourists, a lot of locals. I would walk down that way, but I think it's time to go back a little bit, and I'm going to just try to capture some really nice views for the ending part of this video. And I think the best ones will be like with these trees right here. And I'll do a little 360 as well before we do. So yeah, this is Cheoc Beach, one of the most popular beaches in Macau. Haksha is the most popular, and this is the I think it's kind of like the more interesting one. Beautiful day. Okay, let's hope you like that. The taste of Cheoc Beach in March, mid-March in Macau. Okay, so we just did Cheoc Beach. That's the beach right there. So I just want to kind of conclude it. There's the beach, there's a swimming pool that we saw some rocks from a distance, and we were kind of in this little area right here, and we're up above now. So this is where the road, where the cars come in. So you can see the cars all along that road, and then they'll come across around here, and over here is like St. Joseph Convention Center, Cheoc Convention Center with St. Joseph Villa, San Jose Villa. Pretty cool. So anyways, Cheoc Beach is, so we have this kind of major road right here, like a beach road basically. And then we drive down into that a little bit, drive in down that way, and we come down into the, and then we enter right into that beach right there. It's so beautiful. So anyways, that's another view so you can see kind of the greater context. And I haven't really seen the context up here. It's beautiful. Wow, really love it a lot. Look at that, amazing. Really, really amazing. All right, Cheoc Beach right there. And actually this is the way that we took to get to the beach, just so that you could kind of put it all in context. So we just take this road and we go all the way down like that, and that was where Cheoc Beach is at. And then this was where we were just at a little while ago, right around the corner. That's at San Jose, and we're on something called Cheoc Road. So that's a major Cheoc road that we were on when we were over there. And then this is the little street that goes towards Cheoc. So that just kind of puts you all into more perspective of exactly where we were when you were watching Cheoc, and like kind of a little bit of reference on how it's connected to other places. Right there's like a beautiful youth hostel. These amazing views right there. I find it incredible. Anyways, we're not going to walk all the way down to Cheoc, but you can definitely see that it kind of comes off that main road of Cheoc Road, and then meanders down like that and goes all the way down. And so yeah, that's Cheoc Beach today. It's March. Look at that beautiful scenery. Macau has a lot of beauty. It should. It's like basically an island anyways. I mean, islands always have like kind of mountains and ocean everywhere. So, all right. So the beach is directly down that way, and there's a little bit of a thing right there, a little kiosk. Not a kiosk, but a little, they call it mirador, like a lookout. All right, Cheoc Beach. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.